Hope everybody had a good weekend. Looking at the NQ.
NQ trade alert.
Here's what I'm looking at this morning. NQ gapped up and kept going. So you've got this nice support area down here. And we broke out of this resistance.
NQ trade alert.
I'd really like to see more of a retracement here. That's kind of shallow.
NQ trade alert.
95.25. I'd really like a deeper retracement.
NQ trade alert. NQ trade alert.
Must be losing momentum.
NQ trade alert. NQ trade alert. NQ, buy signal 3.
Well, I just don't like I don't like that retracement, so I just let's see what happens. I would really need a yellow at this point. You have all this up and down.
NQ trade alert.
Order submitted.
Well, this broke out nicely. So let's take a stab at this.
Order
NQ,
filled.
buy signal 2.
Target filled.
Okay. Now what we need to see, we want to see some follow through out of this, right? Because what did I say? Anytime we have multiple support or resistance lines lining up, it becomes a significant area. So we want to break out. I want to see a breakout of this significant area. Nice.
Stop filled.
All right. This was a long trade. 30 plus 52 plus 57 equals 139 ticks. That is awesome. Nice. Nice. Okay, so to review, what happened? We had a gap up, and we never came in and even refilled that, did we? We just kept on going. We had identified the support level, which held. We had this resistance level that we broke out of. I got a signal here. I was waiting for something down here, if I'm correct. I didn't like this tiny little retracement, and it worked out fine, right? It was, it's a profitable trade. Got a decent retracement, took a blue entry, got caught up in some congestion here, but support held, right? So we stayed in the trade. We eventually broke out, and we took our first and second target, got stopped out on our third target for 57 ticks. So all in all, nice trade. Nice trade. Easy day. Yeah, easy. Well, if you're using the software, easy day. But otherwise, you might have gotten caught up in some congestion. So yeah, I'm happy with this.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below.